Hi, and happy holidays. I'm Miss Linda, and we are going to do holiday ornaments together. This is one of my favorite holiday programs, and I'm sorry that we can't do it together in a room face to face, but we can do it together virtually. So by now, I hope everybody picked up their packet, and let's go through it. So this is what your packet would look like. Holiday craft kit, and listed on here are all of the items that should be in here. First of all, always try the best of my ability to give you instructions. There are 3 ornaments that we're going to do, or 3 items, and one is the Grinch ornament, the Christmas tree, and the wood ornament. So instructions for all 3. Now I want to mention with the wood ornament, I did throw in a couple of markers, but that doesn't limit you. Don't be limited by those 2 colors. Use whatever you have. Use your imagination. If you have glitter and glue, whatever you have, make it your own. Okay? So let's go through. Let's start with this one. Okay. This little packet is your Grinch ornament. Yes, the Grinch. If I show you the other side, you can even see his face popping out. What you're going to do is you've got a Grinch, and over top of his face is a little piece of plastic, and that's called transfer tape. These were cut with a Cricut machine, and I got them all ready for you that all you have to do is pull them off of here and transfer it to your bulb. Well, then, of course, you have the bulb, a plastic clear bulb. Let me just set it. Okay, then you have a little container, and it's clear. And what's in here, surprising, is floor polish. When I learned this trick, I loved it. It's really, really fun. A little bit of clear polish on the inside of your ornament. It's going to make it very shiny. You'll see. Also, more than enough glitter. Green glitter, because the Grinch's face is green. If you have any other color and want a purple Grinch, go for it. But we are making a green Grinch. Now, I'm thinking that I probably have enough in here to make 2 ornaments. So if you have an ornament laying around, or run to the dollar store has them, I think there may be enough to make 2 with the polish and the glitter, except for you wouldn't have an extra face. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is we're going to open up. Now make sure that you have a good spot that you can easily clean up. Sometimes the floor polish in it, you know, if it kind of runs over this little hole there, kind of gets sticky. So you want to make sure there's something underneath to get it. I even just, like, you know, if I were you, do double layer. Do, you know, something underneath, newspaper. Here I have a placemat, and then I'm putting the plastic on top so that if it should drip. Now, you're going to open up your floor polish, and I'd already poured some in here, but you're going to pour the shoe polish in there, or the floor polish, excuse me. Then you are going to swirl it around. It's that simple. Just swirl it. I've used it where I've had like a paper towel on top or something so that my fingers didn't get all sticky, but it's usually if I'm making a whole bunch. And what you want to do is make sure that, to the best of your ability, that the whole inside of the ornament is covered with floor polish. Now, if you think you're going to make another one and you want to save this and actually, you know, even if you're not going to make another one, just pour it back in here after you've got it. If you think you've got it pretty, I think I have it pretty thoroughly, you know, and then I do this over the plastic because I want to kind of get it around the top of it, and sometimes it can drip a little. And let's see, looks pretty good. So pour the excess out. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the lid back on. Knowing me, I'll bump it. Yeah, these lids are, this lid on this little one is really tight. All right, next thing you wanna do, you're gonna take your glitter. This lid isn't so hard to get off. This is where it gets messy. You will find glitter probably for weeks. That's how glitter is. So here we go. I'm gonna pour the glitter in. And yes, some is going on my, you could probably do it better with like a spoon. But the thing with doing it on the plastic is that you can just scoop it up and use all the leftovers for something else. Then you're going to take it and shake it. I'm gonna shake it. Look at how green it is, and it's shiny. And you can tell because you are going to see it totally covered. So you want to keep going, be patient and keep shaking it until you believe it's all covered. Now, even with the glitter that I spilled, I still have a lot left. So you can do something else with it. Maybe you can get some glue or a glue stick and use it on your wooden ornament that you are going to be doing. Okay, so you've got it all covered in there. I love it. It's so nice and shiny and covered really well. Then you are going to close it back up. Oh boy, I know I'm going to be finding glitter for a long time. All right, we're going to close it back up. Easier said than done. All right. Then what you're going to do, there we go. It's just getting stuck in there. Then what you're going to do is you are going to take, look at my green finger, you are going to take your Grinch face. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure, and I would do this at first. I'm just going to use the cap. You can use anything that you want to kind of push and just rub. I'm just rubbing to make sure that I can get the Grinch face off of that little piece of paper and onto the tape. That's how we're going to transfer it. So, how can you tell? Aha. See, I can tell already. If you pull it apart, I'm seeing it on the tape. Now, if a part doesn't come up, like this part, like here, it looks like it's all coming up here, but that part didn't quite stick, that's okay. Get back and do it again. Okay, that's all. And let's try it again. Aha. Bingo. Now, you've got the Grinch's face on your transfer tape. You are going to take your bulb and place it on your bulb. You can just eyeball it and think of where you want to do it. Don't stick it totally on yet until you know where you want it to be. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Grinches aren't perfect. And I just was lightly sticking it just to try to kind of get it down a little bit. And I like to try to peel it off a little bit at a time so I don't get like little bubbles. So just like pressing it onto the transfer tape, you want to press it onto the bulb to get it to come off the transfer tape now. So just take anything you need. I'm just, really this is a simple little pattern here. So I'm just going to use my fingers to try to get it. And I see one eyebrow just wants to keep coming up. Yep. And keep working it until you've got it all on there. And just keep working it. Be patient, and then just pull up a little bit at a time. Yep, still having a problem with that side of the face, but that's okay. I'll just keep working it. And then what you'll have is a Grinch. There you go. It's green. You see his face. It gave you a little piece of ribbon to hang it, or you can use an ornament hook, whatever you want. And voila, the Grinch. There you go. You have your own Grinch ornament. Very good. Now, this is very messy. We'll just set this aside because the next one you want to pull out, or you can do this in any order. I'm just going to show you. Very simple. If we do the tree, now the tree one comes with two pieces, like this, with slits down them. You're going to, and again, the instructions are there, very simple. Put them together like this. And yes, I gave you glitter sticks and little balls. Okay. Now, you can do this any way you want. It's yours. But I have a recommendation. You might want to take these apart. It'd be easier maybe to like lie them flat and try to decorate them and put it together. Or if you want, you can just, patiently just kind of, what I would do, I gave you glue and a glue stick. So you're going to dab the stick in there. You're going to do little dots of glue. You're going to fill it in with your little colorful balls and do some extra decorating with your glitter sticks, your glitter glue that I've given you as well. So that is the tree. Glitter away, use all those little fun balls. Got everything that you need to make your tree. Okay, the last but not least that I'm doing. Now, this is very simple. You've got a wood ornament that coming in all different shapes and sizes, or different shapes. So yours may not be a star, but whatever it is, it already comes with its little ribbon on there. And you want to, I gave you things to color with it. This is, glitter markers. So I can just, color and make it my own. Just decorate, decorate, decorate. And like I said, if you have leftover glitter from your Grinch, go ahead and use it. Because I'll bet you'll have leftover glue. Wow, we can really decorate these. We could take the leftover glue, spread it on here, do some sprinkles, tap it off, and make it even more beautiful. Like I said, these ornaments are yours. Use your creativity. I'm just here to kind of give you little hints to make holiday ornaments together. I hope that you've enjoyed this, and I wish everybody, all of my friends that we really miss at the library, a very happy holiday. And we'll see you soon. Stay healthy.